The reason you can't claim universal credit and tax credits at the same time is that tax credit is actually now in universal credit, so in effect you'd be claiming it twice. The idea with universal credit is that you would never be worse off, that you will always be better off. You may find though that in the future, as people transition onto universal credits, they're already claiming benefits, and then the DWP get them to move over to universal credit. They may find that their awards are slightly less. However, the DWP have stated that they will have some kind of transitional protection for a period of time to ensure that people's tax credits aren't being reduced and they're not losing out because they're now claiming universal credit.